Hi, this is Adnan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a quotation for an RFQ. So without taking any more of your valuable time, let's move ahead. The obvious first step is to log into your account. And once you have logged into your account, then you have to click on view all to view the RFQs. In case you're seeing the suitable RFQ right here, you can click on it. Otherwise, you can click on view all and it will take you to the RFQ listing page where you have the filter option. You can filter them, sort them depending on your requirement. Now, for today's demonstration, I will use this cotton bandages as the RFQ. So I'll just click on code now. So this is where let's assume that we want to submit a code for this particular RFQ. And by the way, this is a live RFQ, but I'll delete my quotation later once I'm done with this video. So this is where we have this cotton bandages as the RFQ. So we'll have to click on quote now, and which will take us to the RFQ detail page. Now, this is where you will notice all the details of this particular requirement, how much quantity, what dimensions, etc., etc. They are all listed here. Please do review these details before proceeding ahead to submit the quotation. So this is where, assuming again that you have read the details and now you are wanting to submit the quotation. Now, to do that, you have to click on this big blue button which says code now, which will bring you to this screen and which has number of fields that you have to fill in. It may appear little complicated, but this is very, very simple. Now, if you already have this product, so for example, we are submitting a quotation for cotton bandages. If this particular product is already there on our website, then we have to just simply type the name. But in case it is not there, so you have to click here, is where it is already highlighted in blue. So when you'll click here, it will open this product upload interface and you can submit the details. What we have done is we have also embedded AI here. So if you are adding the product summary, and for a lot of sellers, it becomes a challenge that how do we write summary. So based on the product details or the product name that you are adding here, it will automatically create that summary. And once you are done adding the information, you can also upload an image and the product gets uploaded. So very, very quickly, in a matter of 2-3 minutes, you'll be able to upload that product. And we have a separate video about how to upload the product. So I'll try to link that in the description of this video. Now, imagining that you have already uploaded the product, so you have to just start typing the name. This is where the product has started appearing. So I'll select that. Then we have the quantity. So for example, this requirement is for 7,500 pieces. Now I have, let's say, 5,000 pieces. So I can quote for 5,000, or if I have 7,500, then I can quote for the entire, and this is where it is unit. So this is where pieces. So I can also change it to pieces. All right. Same, so that they ask for 7,500. We are also quoting. Now, lead time is, let's say, 15 days or 30 days. So depending on how much lead time do you need, you can submit that. And then price per unit. So for example, I want to charge 25 rupees per unit. So for 7,500 pieces, 25 rupees. And this is where if there are any additional remarks, etc., or any additional packaging requirements. So for example, you will be packaging, or you'll be providing packaging in packs of let's say 100. So you can do that. And then you have your inco terms, you have delivery duties and payment terms. So advance payment, slight letter of credit, etc. So these are different options which are there. So based on what suits you, you can select that. And then if there's any supporting document that you would want to share with the buyer, you can also upload that. And once you are done, all you have to do is to click on submit. So once again, I'll very, very quickly walk you through all the fields. So the first one is product. This is where it has to be a product on your account, on your catalog. If you have an online store, then it has to be on your online store. Now, if it is already an existing product, you can simply type the name and you can select it. If it is not an existing product, you can upload it from here. Then you have to specify the quantity. Now, it can be the exact quantity, it can be lesser quantity. Obviously, there's no sense of quoting more quantity, but in case that's a pack requirement. So for example, you have packs of 1,000, so you can't supply 7,500, but you can supply 8,000. In that case, you can input that quantity, have to select the unit, you have to specify the lead time, and this is in days. So how many days you'll need. So you can specify that. For example, I need 15 days. So I can change that price per unit. So what price you want to quote, currency, and then if there are any other remarks that you would want to share, other packaging requirements, and then you have Incoterms duty, delivery duty, and payment terms. If there's a supporting document, you can upload that. And once you are done, review it. Don't just submit everything in a hurry. Just review it once more and then click on submit. And that's where the quotation gets submitted. So this is where you'll see the confirmation that you have submitted the quotation, and this is how you have to submit the quotation. I hope you found the video informative and you are going to use this information to submit the quotations. Now, before we close the video, one more quick thing. There's an edit option. So if in case you have realized that I've made a mistake, you can go and you can edit the quotations as well. So thank you for watching this video.